So the list of AI tools for YouTube automation and video creation is getting pretty crazy right now. And I keep getting sent new ones to test each week. But to be honest, most of these are just low-quality cash grabs from developers trying to benefit from all the AI hype, which is why I've never bothered sharing any of them on this channel. Sure, there are some pretty amazing ones in beta, but as they are still incomplete or missing key features, I'm going to give them a little bit more time for testing. But watch this space for upcoming videos. So today, I want to share my top picks for tried and tested AI tools that will kickstart your content creation and help you grow on YouTube, especially if you're creating faceless channels. These are all the tools I currently use in my business to make money. I'll put links in the video description to all of them, along with any discounts that I can manage to get for you. The first one on my list is free and needs no introduction. It's ChatGPT. If you don't know it yet, ChatGPT is an AI tool that can generate a variety of content, including YouTube video scripts. Now, I've already created a video showing how I generate scripts and the prompts I use, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here. But ChatGPT is a great way to get video ideas and build out a foundation script for you to work from. So far, YouTube and Google are struggling to keep up in terms of AI detection, and I've seen no issue with channels not getting monetized when using these scripts. With that said, I always recommend putting your own twist on these scripts. The robots are good, but they can be a little bit vanilla and repetitive with their writing, so you'll want to inject a little bit of human grit into the final version. If you want an AI writing tool that offers more guidance and frameworks for creating longer-form content, then a good alternative is Jasper AI. I'll link to both below, but personally, I would just use ChatGPT while it's still free. From here, we want to create our voiceovers, and this is where things get challenging, as there are pros and cons to all of these tools. Technology is rapidly improving here, but no tool is 100% yet. For a long time, I've been recommending Murph AI, given that it allows you to change the pitch, speed, and gaps in the voiceover. This gives you a greater level of control, and it has the largest library of AI voices out there. But it still makes mistakes on the pronunciation of some words, where other tools are much smoother. Well Said Labs is one such tool, though some of the better voices only come with a $99 per month account. So for many, this will just be too much, unless you're planning to create lots of voiceovers each month. A third option, and probably the best AI voice I've ever heard, is 11 Labs. It offers fewer voices and no flexibility over the voice, but they sound amazing, and you can even create your own voice, which I'll create another video on soon. Though as they are still in beta, there are drawbacks in stability and functionality. Mainly the lack of voice options and control. It also charges for every voice generation, and the recording seems different each time you generate from a script, which can lead to varying tones. Sometimes it sounds too energetic, and other times more monotone and boring. So although it's the best quality AI voice overall, it can be difficult to work with and requires another tool for editing clips together and fixing spacing afterwards. Though I do fully expect this to be one of, if not the best out there by the end of the year. If you are going to use 11 Labs, then I recommend using Descript to edit the clips together. You can also add EQ and effects to the voice and improve the spacing for better sound. I'll be doing more videos on editing AI voices soon. What I love about Descript, and why it's the next tool on my list, is that you can edit the audio or video from text. Once you've edited in this way, there's no going back. I also use this tool for my video and audio recording. It's probably the tool I currently use the most. You could also create your faceless videos inside Descript using their free media and graphics tools, but it's also a little slow and fiddly. The AI tool I recommend for this is Pictory. Pictory is an AI video generation tool that matches stock footage clips from storyblocks to your video script. This takes most of the work out of creating videos. You can then upload your AI voiceover from Descript, and Pictory will automatically sync the video clips and text to match. This saves a huge amount of time and money, as using storyblocks with a video editing suite would cost double the monthly price. You can then add transitions, music, or text annotations to bring the video together. This for me is still the best AI video generation tool out there. I've also managed to secure a 30% discount code for Pictory, which I'll link to in the video description, along with links to free trials of all of the tools mentioned in today's video. Any questions, just ask in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the next training video. Until next time.